Okay guys, we're gonna make some fried chicken wings. We're gonna start out by cracking an egg, blending it up real good, and putting some Texas Pete hot sauce in it. Happy Sunday, everyone. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we mix some Texas Pete in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And we're just going to pour this over the chicken. Okay. Up. Okay, so we have our Texas Pete. We have onion powder, little bump, black pepper, and our house seasoning. And we have all-purpose flour that we're going to be using to season these wings up. So I'm going to bring it over here so you can see it a little better. So first I'm going to add the onion powder, which is no salt, black pepper, not too much because we got that Texas Pete in there. I'm going to do a little bump. This is a local shelf seasoning. And we're going to add the house seasoning to the flour. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that all up with that egg and Texas Pete. Okay. And I'm going to wash my hands. Are you guys ready for the work week? From Monday? Fun day Monday? Okay. Move this out the way. We got our grease over here heating up, so. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add the flour. I'm going to just pour it on like that. And then add this to it. Oh, this thing do not want to come off. Okay, hold on. Hold on. There you go. This is garlic, onion, black pepper, and salt. So I'm kind of mixing it in like that. Oh, excuse me. Now, let's do it. Let's go. Just toss it all together. That's it. It's ready to go in the oil now. After I wash my hands. I'm going to drop it in the oil with some tongs so I won't burn my fingertips. After I wash my hands. This is going along with our spaghetti dinner today. This is just a side thing. Okay. So we're going to move you over here. Okay. The wings over here. And you're going over here. Okay, so here we go. Our skillet is all heated up. We're taking our wings, putting it in there. These are some big, chunky wings. These are the biggest chicken wings I've ever seen. And expensive. One package was like $17. Okay, one more. We don't want to overcrowd our skillet. One more. That's it. Okay, so we'll let those cook, and this is what we have left. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, look at our chicken. It's starting to brown up. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to put the rest of that in that pan. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're taking the chicken out. And then we're going to add the rest. Look at these wings. They are so huge. We have a few flats in there, but those little drumsticks are huge. Ouch. Owie. It got me. Okay. You look nice and crispy. Yum. So we're going to put that tongue there and grab the one that we're handling the raw chicken with and put the rest of it in there. Okay. The egg tend to make the chicken crispy. I don't do all that egg, dipping it back in the flour and all that. I just put one egg. I don't care how many. You can have a whole lot of wings. That one egg go a long way. Just crack an egg, put what you want in the egg or nothing at all, and just toss your chicken with the egg. So we're done with this pan. All our chicken wings are in there, and here they are. They're nice and crispy. Let me try one. They're really hot. I just want you guys to hear how crispy they are. Woo, I can't even pick it up. Hold on. Hold on now. Okay. Let's try this. Let's grab that. Let's listen for the crunch. Y'all hear that? Yummy. Very good. Look at that. Delicious. Golden fried chicken wing. And flavorful. Thank you. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So now we're about to take the second batch of chicken wings out. Jumbo chicken wings. These are the biggest wings ever. Okay. They are nice and crispy. Okay. So here are the other ones that I took out earlier. Okay, guys, I just want you to hear this crunch again. Just hear. Y'all hear that? They're so crispy. And delicious. Okay, guys, so let me put that over there. I'm going to just do this and that and that. And let me do one more. These big old. Okay, so here are our crispy chicken wings. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Have an amazing week. Bye.